Hello friends, today we will return to our beautiful northeast, and in our beautiful northeast we will go to Majuli in Assam in the Jorhat district. Majuli is a riverine island in Brahmaputra river, and as per Guinness Book of World Records, it is the largest riverine island in the world. So that distinction goes to Majuli. Friends, Majuli we visit via Jorhat. There is a ghat called Nemati Ghat from where we take the boat to Kamlabadi in Majuli. So we have boarded the boat along with colleagues. So we are going to Majuli in this boat. In 2016, Majuli became the first island to be made a district in India. It became a district of Assam in 2016, and its area was 880 square kilometers, so huge at the beginning of 20th century, but due to erosion by the river, it has now come down to 352 square kilometers. So Majuli is famous for satras. Satras were formed by the saint of Assam, Sri Shankar Dev, and many satras were formed initially, out of which most are still continuing. So these are the centers of Vaishnavism, Neo Vaishnavism, religious and cultural centers. So this is inside one of the satras, photos you can see. The local population is mainly missing, and as I said, Majuli has been the cultural capital of Assamese civilization. It became so after the visit of Sriman Shankardev, a 16th century social reformer. Sriman Shankardev was a pioneer of the medieval age Neo-Vaishnavite movement, and he preached a monotheist form of Hinduism called Vaishnavism and established monasteries and hermitages known as Satra on the island. So many satras are there, this is one of them. Here friends, this is Samugudi Satra. This is famous for masks. Unique mask making takes place there. It was started in the 16th century only, and this is a hereditary skill. This is a hereditary skill passed down from father to son in the satras, or from teacher to students. So just see beautiful masks at the back, you can see big ones, small ones. The most famous masks are Garuda mask and Hanuman masks. Masks of Garuda and Hanuman, those are very popular and famous here. See, this is a Hanuman mask. My friend is wearing it. And now see a video, friends. These masks are mobile also, move also. This is a Garuda. Majuli is famous for Ras also, friends. During Kartika Gan, on the full moon night, Ras is held across the satras there, and it's a beautiful event done on a very large scale, very lavish scale. The sets are very lavish, grand, and the artists are beautifully dressed and decorated. Their makeup is wonderful, and this is based on the life of Lord Krishna. It depicts the life of Lord Krishna from birth till death. So Samagudi Satra was one. which is famous for mask making. Then there is Garmur Satra. It is an interesting and holy place to visit, and it was established in 1656 by Jai Ram Dev. Here you can see ancient artifacts and articles, unique weapons preserved in a small museum. So these are the visuals of the Ras, Majuli Ras, friends. Then Kamlawadi Satra is very famous. It is one of the oldest and most visited cultural center of Majuli. There is a huge complex in the Kamlawadi Satra, and hundreds of monks of all ages from 8 to 80 years reside there. And this houses significant articles related to art, culture, literature, and classical studies. And one important thing, interesting thing you can witness is a Naam prayer performed by little monks in evening and morning. Then Dakhin Path Satra is there, one of the most famous socio-religious institutions in Majuli, where dances and music contributed by Sri Shankar Dev, such as the Borgeet, Matiya Khara, Jumora, Chali, Noyua, Nandev Ringi, Sutradhar, Ojapali, Apsara, Satriya Krishna, and Dasavatar are preserved and practiced in deep faith. It is also a storehouse of antiques of cultural importance and an advanced center for performing arts. This was established by Sri Vamshi Gopal in 1584. This Ras Utsav which you are seeing in the visuals, friends, it is a Ras Leela annually celebrated on the full moon day, as I said, Purnima, in the month of October, November, Katiyagan, during the autumn season. During this festival, Majuli draws a huge number of people, huge number of tourists come here. The Ras Leela is story of life of Lord Krishna presented in the performing art form. It begins with the birth of Krishna, his upbringing at the house of King Nanda, his tending the cows at Gokula along with his fellow cowherds, his childhood activities, his killing of the demons like Bakasur, Putana, Kalia, and Kans, his maternal uncle, at various times of his youth. Finally, his amorous play with the gopis. In the Udasin Satra, friends, the dance is performed by the celibate inmates of the Satra. You see the visuals, videos. Performance of the Ras Leela involves various musical instruments, music and dance, and First Ras Leela was performed at Dakhin Path Satra in 1848 and is continued in full ritual basis still. The Majuli Ras festival has a great impact on the life and culture of the people of Majuli. It is a part of the culture of the Satra. The festival was performed by many of the villages. During the festival, every man and woman and child remains busy, receiving visitors and performing different duties related to the festival. Even foreigners are visiting the And after seeing the Ras, it is time to go back, friends. So, boarding the boat again from Kamlawadi to Nemati Ghat, carrying back the sweet memories of the Ras Utsav at Majuli and a visit to the Satras, such important centers of Vaishnavism, centers of culture, art, heritage. So we go back in our boat. So many people had visited. As a result, the boat is crowded. So, friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video on Majuli. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the videos, and press the bell button also. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.